Good morning, guys. We are headed over to Center Camp. You can see we've had a lot more folks come in overnight. But today is the Colorado River kayak. Really looking forward to that. We've been told it's some of the, it's not a hard paddle. It is just flat water paddle, but it's some of the best views you'll see in the desert. So let's go meet up with everybody and caravan to the takeout point. So beginning our journey, we're starting at the end. Pretty fun. We've got our Wacko outfitter back here. That's gonna take us about 10 miles upstream for the paddle. And this is where we'll take out when we get back. American coot. I had to search to see what these pretty ducks were. Alright, our put-in spot is River Island State Park. Very beautiful, typical Arizona. I love it. Alright, so I'm guessing this is why they call it River Island State Park. Wow. It's awful pretty. Getting our kayaks ready. We're getting ready to get on the water, so let's get down here, get our life jackets and paddles.
We're all filming each other.
Hey, y'all are all given permission to be in a YouTube video, right?
Same proof.
Right. Let's see how funny it is first, though. Western Arizona Canoe and Kayak Outfitters. I love the acronym. Look how clear this water is. Let's get over here in the sun. Beautiful. Okay, we put in at River Island State Park, and now we're floating past Buckskin Mountain State Park. Scotty and I stayed here in 2020, I believe it was. It was our first trip to Arizona. Man, this is a beautiful state park. Wait till you see coming around this corner.
Thank you for letting me do that.
Yeah, like I said, I haven't watched my hair yesterday, but
That's cool. Everybody is focused on the balloons.
Yeah.
You are good.
So we're all like, ooh, shiny object. Let's do it.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
you can see me paddleboard later. That's what I
Yeah, and I brought I did bring a
Do what? Yeah. Yay guys, we're coming into the takeout spot. Whew, it's been a long paddle, but look how beautiful the water is right now. This is us. Sweet. There's our trucks. Hey!
You're gonna want to approach that right sideways.
Oh, sorry. It's a little slicky.
Well, I mean, we can pull you up. We can just pull you up a little bit more.
That would be okay. All right. Don't scrub your butt. What?
I'll hold it.
All right, let me jump out. My legs are just a little bit wobbly. Now.
For 6 hours.
There we go. There we go. Thank you so much.
Go to the back one.